Hey there, soap stars. Ready to dive into the sudsy world of soap making? It's way easier than you think and so rewarding. But first, a delicious dilemma. Hot process or cold process? Both are amazing, but like choosing between pizza and pasta, it depends what you're craving. Intrigued? Let's break it down, step by step, so you can rock your first batch. Cold process is like that slow, simmering romance novel. It's a methodical and patient journey where every step is crucial to the final outcome. Just like a good book, it draws you in and keeps you hooked. It takes time, but the payoff is oh so worth it. The end result is a beautiful, handcrafted soap that feels luxurious and special. Each bar is a testament to the time and care put into it. Basically, you mix oils with lye water. Don't worry, it's safe once it's soap. Things heat up. And bam! Saponification happens. This is the magical process where the oils and lye transform into soap and glycerin. That's just a fancy word for soap magic. The designs and colors you can create are endless, making each bar a unique piece of art. You pour this magical mixture into molds, let it harden, and then patience, my friend. The soap needs time to set and develop its final properties. Cold processed soap needs 4 to 6 weeks to cure. That means the water evaporates and the soap becomes milder and harder. This curing time is essential for the soap to reach its full potential, ensuring it's gentle on the skin and long-lasting. Why go cold process? Think customization and luxury. Design, diva, swirls, layers, colors, galore. Cold process lets you unleash your inner artist. Silky smooth. Remember that cure time? It gives the soap a super smooth texture that feels amazing on your skin. It's like making your own spa experience right at home. Challenges of the cold process. Now, I'm not gonna lie. Cold process has a bit of a learning curve. Time commitment. That 4 to 6 week cure time can be a test of patience. Precision is key. You gotta be pretty exact with your measurements for cold process. But hey, practice makes perfect. Don't worry, I got your back. We'll walk through it all together. Turning up the heat with hot process. Get ready to dive into the world of hot process soap making. Ready for something a little more fast-paced? Hot process soap making is perfect for those who love a bit of excitement in their crafting. Hot process is like that action-packed thriller you can put down. It's dynamic, engaging, and keeps you on your toes. It's similar to cold process, but we cook the soap batter. This cooking step is what sets it apart and adds that extra layer of excitement. Yep, you heard that right. We actually use heat to transform the ingredients faster. We use heat to speed up the saponification process, so the soap is ready to use much faster. This means you can enjoy your handmade soap in a fraction of the time. Think of it like fast forwarding through the boring parts of the movie. You get to the good stuff quicker. With hot process, you can cut, cure, and use your soap in no time. Hot process perks. Hot process is all about instant gratification. Speedy soap. No more waiting weeks to use your creations. Hot process soap is ready in just a few hours. Rustic charm. Hot process creates a more rustic, textured look that's totally on trend. It's perfect for those who like things a little more rough around the edges. This is where things get interesting and a bit challenging. Of course, even action movies have their slow-mo moments. And in soap making, these moments are just as dramatic and crucial. Here's the deal with hot process. It's a method that requires patience and precision. Messy business. Cooking the soap batter can get a little messy, but hey, that's part of the fun, right? Embrace the chaos and enjoy the process. Design limitations. Hot process isn't as forgiving when it comes to intricate designs. The batter thickens quickly, making it harder to achieve those delicate swirls and patterns. But you can still get creative with colors and additives. Think outside the box and experiment with different ingredients to make your soap unique. So, which soap opera will you star in? Will you go for the classic rustic look or try something bold and colorful? Let me know in the comments below. Share your experiences and any tips you have for fellow soap makers. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so you don't miss out on my upcoming tutorials where I'll show you exactly how to make both cold process and hot process soap. Your support helps me create more content for you. Get ready to lather up the fun. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of using soap you've made yourself.